Boot Hill Tractor Parts, tractor number 2803, John Deere 4430, early model steering, quad range. Tractor come from Kansas. Looks like it's set outside all its life. We've tested it. Transmission shifts good, engine shifts good. It's got a few little leaks here and there, but this video is for the cab only, so we're going to show it to you today. The stock number for this cab is 206186. This cab and tractor has this right here. A lot of specs on it. There's no windshield wipers on this particular cab. We got one weld spot on the door, which not a huge concern because the door shuts well. You don't have to slam the door to get it shut. So we've got that going on the fender. Crack there. Something there. This tractor has 2 remotes, but there is no rust under here, which is very common on a southern tractor. Some sort of spray rig hooked up to it. Top's pretty faded and kind of got some fiberglass showing. Got another little crack at the top left here. We do have one dent in the fender. Same condition. But again, no rust on the inside. Overall, tractor, besides setting outside, looks good and solid and straight. Show you what's on the inside. So very common for those panels to be cracked. Upholstery's loose. Someone has put an aftermarket seat in it. The suspension's factory. Like I said, someone sprayed something with it or used it as a spraying tractor. It's got this caddy in it. Headliner just depends on what you're looking for. If you want it nice, it's going to need a headliner and a lower kit. The door shuts good. Seat works good up and down. It's got a little bit of side-to-side play, nothing terrible, but that's kind of common. Does have the floor mat. Tractor had 6885 hours on it. So this cab will be priced as it is and priced with new interior. So if it's something we can help you with, give us a call. Thank you.